welcome to Loopin Legends. This is your host, Gabriel B, and today I will be introducing this new podcast. Also, I will be chatting about some Silver Dollar City coasters and some tips and tricks on how and when to ride them. You might remember me from Interesting Facts. This is the same host, but I'm doing a different one. So, let's get started. First of all, I will be getting guests on this podcast from time to time, so be ready for any guests to come onto this podcast. So, we have 7 main coasters at Silver Dollar City. We have Time Traveler, Outlaw Run, Fire in the Hole, Thunderation, Powder Keg, Wildfire, and the Grand Exposition Coaster, which is a kiddie one. So, first of all, Time Traveler. It goes upside down 3 times, and 2 of them are loop-like and 1 of them is a barrel roll. It is really fun and I recommend you to try it. Second of all, we have Thunderation, a very janky coaster in the back, but when you're in the front, it's a pretty nice, smooth ride. Number 3, we have Powder Keg. Powder Keg has a switch track and a launch and a lift hill. The launch is very intense and will send you over a hill, and the lift hill will take you to the very end of the track. Number 4, we have Outlaw Run. Outlaw Run is a wooden coaster. It is very, very fun, but it does have what our coaster enthusiasts say, a pothole at the bottom of the drop. Beware of that. And it goes upside down. If you are counting the 90-degree side, it goes upside down 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and not counting the 90-degree side 3 times. It is very fun and I recommend you trying it. Number 5, we have Wildfire. This coaster goes upside down 5 times. And it is really fun. It has over-shoulder restraints and a headrest, and it's really good for your first looping coaster. And number 6, we have the Grand Exposition Coaster. That one is a kiddie coaster that goes around 3 times, and it starts with a lift hill, takes a small turn, and gets back into the station. It is very fun for little kids. Number 7, Fire in the Hole. They just added a new Fire in the Hole for the 2024, and it is great. It has all of the stuff in the old Fire in the Hole, but even more better. It has 3 drops and very, very fun. I definitely recommend you trying it. So, that's all of the coasters, and now we are moving on when to ride them. I would recommend riding Thunderation first. Thunderation is a very janky coaster, like I said, but it doesn't have much people on it, so you would ride that one first. Number 2, you would ride Time Traveler, because that one is really fun, and especially going after Thunderation, it kind of gives you a really smooth ride after that janky coaster. Number 3, go to Fire in the Hole. That one is really good, and you must do it after Time Traveler. Number 4, we have Powder Keg. Powder Keg is really fun, but you have to do it after Fire in the Hole, because there will be a little bit of people on it, but it will be not much of a line. Then the next one is Outlaw Run. Since Outlaw Run is really close to Powder Keg, you will want to ride that one, and it's pretty fun. And then we have Wildfire. Wildfire you have to do either after Powder Keg or after Outlaw Run. Outlaw Run and Powder Keg, you can do either of those at any time. But you have to ride Wildfire after them, because then there won't be as much people, and it will be really, really fun. And then you must get there before the park opens if you want the best trip, because most people get there after the park opens, and you will be able to go to Eva and Delia's bakery, the cinnamon bread shop, and you will be able to have a lot of fun. So that is it for this first episode, and I will see you in the next one, and make sure to subscribe. Bye!